Hi everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Shakira. So this video is all about my Stuart Weitzman boots. So this is a review. I really recommend these boots. So this is a spoiler, I recommend the boots, but I wanted to get this video out because this is the best time of the year to get winter boots. Get boots on sale and great prices. And Stuart Weitzman is doing a sale right now on a lot of their boots. They're like 40% off, like ridiculous amounts. So let's get into it. Okay, so these are the boots. They are over the knee boots. They have a nice heel to them and they have the zipper right here. As far as like, the details, it has this type of detail in the front and the sides as well. So picked it up in this kind of like, I would say like caramelish, light brownish color that I picked it up in. And they are leather boots as well. So these are called the Vita heels from Stuart Weitzman, the Vita boots. And these are knee-high boots and they are like I said, caramel brown. They are calf leather as well. They have the zip on the side. I'm just going through all the details so I don't miss anything. They have an almond toe. So it's not round and it's not pointy, it's almond for the toe. 100 mm toe knee-high, and it has a leather sole as well. So for size, I picked this up in a 37 EU, and I think that's it. Regarding the details, for the height, it is 38 cm, heel is 10 cm, circumference is 36 cm. So those are all of the deets. I just wanted you guys to know in case you wanted to pick up these. I believe these are on sale. I saw the black ones on sale on stuartweitzman.com. So hey, 40% off, 30% off, whatever you can get these boots. So in terms of comfort, these are comfortable. I feel like for the most part, heeled boots are comfortable. They're not really like, too dramatic. And most of the time the heels are pretty like, thick. They're not like, stiletto, like really skinny heels. So these shoes are comfortable. I will say if your thighs are a little bit bigger, I think these boots do actually work for people who have thicker thighs. Sometimes, you have small thighs, you have big thighs. If you have big thighs, they should be able to work for this. And this does stretch as well. It's not like the most stretch, but it does stretch. So if you're looking for a boot that can, stretch with you, I would definitely say that this is a good choice. And the leather as well is great. I do not have scratches. Sometimes when you wear boots, you can see the folds, you can see the crinkles and the cracks. For the most part, if you really look up close and personal with these are still great. I mean, I just got them last year, Black Friday, so they should still be great. And I normally like to wait at least 6 months before I review like, a product or item I bought, especially luxury ones, just so I can have like, full wear of them. But because of the fact that, these are a winter style, I wanted to get this out to you guys now. And with the sales that are on Stuart Weitzman, I didn't want you guys to miss out. And like I said, this is like the best time of the year to stock up on winter shoes for next, winter. So I will say the wear and tear is great from what I've used them for. And this is in the cold weather, so it's not like, the nicest weather outside. So keep that in mind. And these aren't slippery. Like, I know one thing people ask is, hey, it's snowing, it's cold outside, there's ice. Are you gonna slip and fall? I haven't slipped and fell with these boots on. So I will definitely say, I think, you should be good. These aren't the type of boots that are going to like, knock you down while you're outside. All right, so I'm not really gonna go into the price because of the fact that there's a sale going on, so you're going to get a discount regardless. So the price is not bad for these boots, given that the sales are ongoing right now. So you're gonna get a good deal for these boots. All right, so I'm thinking, what else did I want to share with you guys? I really just wanted to let you guys know these boots are on sale. Stuart Weitzman has a lot of shoes on sale. Go right now, just to help everyone out. I do like to keep the paper, inside of it just to keep it upright as well, because, it can probably just be really more slouchy if not. And these stay up really well. These are over the knee, so I know sometimes people worry, are they going to stay up? Am I going to be like constantly trying to pin this up. Like, you know, am I gonna be worried about this? These boots, I have not been worried about them. Whenever I wear them out, they stay up, they keep their structure, they're good to go. And I like the fact that the front is like this, so it's a little bit more sturdy, you know, compared to this part of the leather, which is a little bit more soft. I did not have to break these boots in overall, so I think that even tells you even more that these boots are pretty comfortable if you don't have to break them in. Like I said earlier in this video, I definitely recommend getting these boots. Any boots from Stuart Weitzman are a great boot to get. I think Stuart Weitzman, they are pretty much known. Are they entirely known for their boots for the most part? Is that what put them on the map? I think Stuart Weitzman, I think boots are what really put them on the map regarding their shoes. Because people are always talking about Stuart Weitzman shoes, great quality, they look great, great fit, comfortable. The price isn't too bad either for a luxury shoe. So with that added, you know, discounts, you're gonna be looking at a good price for these boots or any boots. So I hope you guys enjoyed my review of my Stuart Weitzman boots. Let me know if you pick up a pair or you pick up a different pair as well and you're able to get them on sale. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If this is your first time watching, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and come back for more videos. And if you have any video ideas, any video suggestions, what you want to see, maybe what you don't want to see anymore, let me know. I pretty much kind of stopped doing my monthly favorites videos, and I'm going to kind of space it out, like maybe like 2 times a year do it, like June and then like the end of the year, just so it's easier and there's more stuff for you guys to see in the favorites. But let me know if you want me to bring back the monthly favorites. I haven't been doing a lot of chit chat get ready with me's as well, so let me know if you want those to come back too. I am going to start a series, I believe, that, like, you know, just has me trying out new makeup and seeing exactly how I wear it, how it fits me, and just giving tips, things like that. Okay, so now I will be ending the video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Come back for more. Bye.